This video is going to show you how to create your own dedication page for your student to turn in for the St. George Yearbook. This might start out sounding a little complex, but I promise it's super easy. All you need is PowerPoint on a computer and then your pictures that you want for your page. So you're going to start by opening your PowerPoint. It will look like this. You're going to be in the home part. You're going to go to Design, and this is the most complicated part. You're going to go to Slide Size, Custom, and you're going to change it to just the size of a regular paper. So that would be 8.5 by 11. And then I usually always choose Ensure Fit, and there you go. There is your page. So after this, you just create your own PowerPoint slide just like you would if you were doing a presentation. You can always change the background color. So, I'm going to create a red color. You can enter a text box for your students. So, I'm going to enter, obviously I'm going to put their name on it. I'm creating a fake student for this, but so you can enter a text box, and then you can create your little message. And then you can enter your page or enter your pictures. So if you have your pictures saved on your computer, you can just go to wherever you keep those and insert those pictures. And then you can put them really wherever you want on the page. You can have as many pictures as you want on the page. I'm going to do that again. Insert my pictures just from my computer. If you have them on your phone, send them to your computer. If you insert them on the page, you can resize them, put them wherever you want. Okay, this is the most important part. When you are done with your slide, when you have your dedication page exactly the way you want it on PowerPoint, the way you save it is critical to turning it in. So you're going to go to File, Save As. I'm going to save mine to my desktop. Save it, whatever you name it. I'm going to name mine Dedication Page. And then save as type. This is the most important part. When you save it, please save it as a JPEG, JPEG. That way, when it sends it to me for the yearbook, it's perfect. So change it, when you save it as a JPEG, save. I just do all slides. Save it as a JPEG. Now, once you save that, I am creating a separate video showing you how to turn this ad in, or how to create a different ad. So if you will look at the video posted on Facebook titled how to turn in your dedication page or create a simple dedication page, then please look at that for how to turn it in. If you have any questions, please contact Miss Courtney, and she will get you in the right place. Thank you so much.